Hello BBT, this is Rusty Camp here checking in with a trade review on October 14th. So I only took 5 trades today. Kind of a funky pre-market as far as I'm concerned. There's just a lot of macro issues kind of going on right now, and it's interesting how it correlates to day trading. Affects price action, that is. Anyway, so the first trade I took here was on NIO. I was gapping up all-time high, and I thought maybe it was overbought here, and I thought maybe we were going to just flush below VWAP for an opening range breakdown. And so I took a short position here around VWAP, around 932, and got stopped out here as it started to pop up. And so I was kind of kicking myself going, why am I shorting stock that's super strong? As Brian says, don't do that. Anyway, so I was then looking for a re-entry on this, maybe an ABCD pattern. And so after this orb kind of cleared out and pulled back, I went long on this wick here with the stop just below VWAP. I think that's probably my favorite trade there. I love trying to guess where VWAP support is really going to set in. And so took a long position here and scaled through high of the day and just below 24.5. It was kind of spooking me. I was hoping we would pop through 24.5, but I kind of got spooked and exited here just below my profit goal, and what do you know, it's kept ripping. I guess in hindsight I wish I would have exited, and then as it threw an ABCD pattern here, taken a long position here and stop here and taken this next leg, but I did not. And then I took a couple trades on Tesla, tried to hit an ABCD pattern after this opening range breakup. I went long here and had a stop here at this wick, but it just didn't feel right, and so I got stopped out, and then it cracked this wick here and wicked again, and I thought, okay, maybe this is it, and I got stopped out as it at the retest of that low there, and I didn't re-enter on this, and what do you know, ABCD pattern through high of the day. And then the last trade I took was on WKHS. I was looking at this after the sell-off here for opening range breakdown. It couldn't break through this low here after a couple attempts, and I was kind of seeing an ABCD pattern here, and I almost went long right here with the stop at this wick, but I didn't. I was watching something else, and so I kind of took a kind of a quasi ABCD VWAP trade here, and I had my stop at 23.5, and after it popped through VWAP, I moved my stop to VWAP, and I was hoping to crack high of the day, but I was concerned due to the daily chart and the bearishness of the daily chart, and so I kind of scaled on some of these pops through 24 here. Would have been a good full exit, and I felt that, but I didn't listen to that feeling because I wanted to see if we could crack high of the day, but it turned out to come back to VWAP and stop me out at VWAP. Nice safe exit, and I just called it a day there. I didn't hit my profit goal, but I was really upset this morning after I was in this NIO position here, and I was watching AMD, and after this opening range breakdown, it pulled back, tested through VWAP, got denied. Beautiful reverse ABCD pattern set up, and kind of a mini false breakout. Two of my favorite things off of VWAP, just right what I'm looking for. And so I saw this wick here, and I went short here at 85.17, and I didn't get my order filled because of margin maintenance. I don't know. I don't think it's increased on day trading, but for whatever reason, NIO requires a large margin requirement, or however that works. And I wasn't able to get my, even though I had plenty of buying power there, I wasn't able to get my position filled. And so I went short at 85.17 with a stop at 85.27 and would have gotten the exact move I was looking for, hit my profit goal, and called it a day. But I didn't get filled. And so, I was, that was before these Tesla trades, before this, not listening to myself on this entry here. So, I could feel my psychology was a little kind of poisoned, and I was tilted. And so I just thought, after getting stopped out here on WKHS, it's 10 o'clock Eastern time, I'm just going to get off, call it a day, $400 in profit. Not my profit goal, but trading on tilt can give you big profits, but it can also bring in the biggest losses that you'll have. And I have learned the hard way. So I'm just going to call it a day and move on. We'll see you guys later.